Welcome to Cooking with Jimmy. Today we're going to be making homemade ribeye. So I'm going to start off by getting the potatoes. We're going to slice them into steak fries. Nothing better than having a good ribeye with some steak fries. As you can see, I'm taking my time cutting and doing it properly. Next, we're going to be moving on to our broccoli. So when you get your broccoli, you want to grab it and cut it at the base, so that way you can get your broccoli florets. As I've demonstrated in other videos in the past, see how easily you can just take them apart? It's the easiest way to get to the broccoli florets. And it's just as easy as that. Now here we have our steak fries, broccoli florets, ribeye, and carrots. Now we're going to go ahead and marinate our ribeye. So I like to put a little bit of red wine. Don't put too much, just enough. Black pepper, salt, not too much salt, Montreal steak seasoning, and that's one of the best ingredients to use when you marinate, and some garlic powder. Now this is my special sauce. Has a little bit of olive oil in it, honey, some steak seasoning, and my own secret steak sauce. Make sure you mix it up real good. And we're going to be going outside, moving on to the grill. And here goes the first ribeye. I actually enjoy cooking outside. Smell all the good flavors coming off the grill, and there's nothing like a good steak that's coming straight off the grill. And these ribeyes are about 16 to 18 ounces. It's a pretty big steak. You want to put everything on about medium heat. You don't want to overcook it. Every now and then you'll get a little bit of, a little bit of char, but that's okay. That's what you're supposed to do when you're on the grill. Just don't overdo it. Alright, now they're ready to be turned over. See how they look. Turned out good so far. Alright, let's see. And that's what I'm talking about with a little bit of the char that happens, especially when you got your sauce on. It's going to drip down into the fire, but that's okay. Alright. Those are heavy steaks. They look so good. And you don't want to keep them on there too long. I like mine about medium, so keep them on about 15 minutes, not even, sometimes 10 to 15 is good, but on a lower heat. Here's the first one. Ribeye number 2. That one looks really good. That's how you want it to look. And here we're going to be moving on to our steak fries. So basically what I did was put them in oil. You're going to want to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes as well until they're golden brown. You'll serve it with your steak at the end. And the way you know they're done, by the golden brown look, and they will float to the surface at the end. And here we come to plating and presentation. I'm going to start off by making some lemon twists, which is fairly easy. You're just going to cut it down, get a slice, and you're going to cut it right down the middle. You'll see how I demonstrate that. There you go. So you cut right down the middle. You're going to do it again. You're going to leave the end though. So you're not going to cut it fully. You're going to stop right at the end. You'll see how I do these twists. People eat with their eyes, ladies and gentlemen, so ensure that your visual presentation is as good as the taste. Comes the steak fries. Alright, we're going to add some broccoli to it. This is going to give it the color that you need. The contrast of colors and consistency is very important. And enjoy what you're doing. This should be fun. A lot of the times if you cook while you're in a really good mood, the food comes out 10 times better. So it all depends on the chef or the cook. How the food is going to look, how it's going to taste. Alright, here goes those lemon twists. You see how I didn't cut all the way through in order to twist them. Alright, we're just going to add a little bit of seasoning to it, just to give it a little bit more of a pop visually. It's already marinated, but this is just for your visual presentation. A little parsley at the end. This is called garnishing. And here we have a close-up. Voila! Homemade ribeye. Cooking with Jimmy.